Did you know that the continuous use of smartphones before bedtime in the dark can cause extensive strain to your eyes, making them dry, sensitive to light, triggering headaches, and even retinal cell damage?
Firstly, prolonged exposure of eyes to these gadgets can cause dryness, and there will be sometimes irritation, headache, fatigue, and severe cases can cause sometimes headache and vomiting also. Whenever there is dark, the central part of the eye, that is pupil, it dilates. So when it is dilated and suddenly we switch on the light, more light enters the eye. So the eyes cannot tolerate. Now similar thing happens when we are working on gadgets like laptop or smartphone.
All digital devices emit something called blue light, a low wavelength, high energy light. According to researchers from the University of Toledo, long periods of time exposed to blue light can damage vision and generate poisonous molecules in the eye's light-sensitive cells. The researchers suggest this could accelerate macular degeneration and other eye diseases. But if you really have to use your phone in bed, these are some of the tips that doctors recommend that will minimize any of the negative effects of browsing in bed.
Now, how to prevent the effects of this continuous use of gadgets? Continuous use of gadgets, as we know, causes dry eye. So to prevent dry eye, we have to blink our eyes frequently and take a 20-minute break. Means after every 20 minutes, take a 5 to 10 minutes break, 5 minutes break at least, and look at distant object, look at near object. And what happens is that when we are continuously watching the smartphone, our eye muscles which act for near vision, they will be working and they go into fatigue. So when we look at distant object, the eye muscles which work for near, they go into relaxation, and the muscles which act for distance vision, they will come into play. So 5 minutes, the muscles which are acting for near, they go into relaxation and they get rest. So this is one technique. Other technique is we have to frequently blink. Just get up from the chair, take a stroll, walk about, and come and sit again on the chair and start working. And you have to consult an eye specialist, because if a person is having some disorders like diabetes, thyroid disease, they are prone for dryness. So the eye specialist will prescribe some eye drops which helps to keep the eyes moist so that the dryness is not aggravated. Now this is one thing. Now second thing is how to prevent the damage from the blue light which is occurring to our inner parts of the eye. The best thing prevention is not to use the gadgets continuously, because what research has shown that continuous use will result, because it will go on having a cumulative effect. So what you have to do, every half an hour, 45 minutes, take a break, do some other work, and then again come back to your work and start working. And especially those people who are working at night. Now, since some professions are there where they have to sit in front of computer at night time and finish off their job. So for what I would suggest, as far as possible, do not use a smartphone, use your laptop or your desktop. Why? Because the distance is more. In smartphone, the distance is less. So the eye muscles have to focus on near object, so they go into fatigue very fast. Whereas for laptop and desktop, the distance is more, the fatigue is less. Other thing what we have to do is, if the person has to work in the night, he can put on a dim light in the surrounding area and just work, keep on working. So that too, not for long period, and minimize the amount of hours of work at night, and daytime working is better because our brain is trained such that it wants to work during daytime, and nighttime it wants rest. Now other thing is that there are various blue filter light, blue filter goggles, blue filters spectacles, and there are some devices which prevent blue light. Still research is going on. They are not foolproof, but we can try blue filtering spectacles or goggles, and especially if you have the monitors, laptop monitor with the screen guard, where the blue light filter is there, that would be better. And especially night time. As I told, minimize the work and do as much as possible during the day. And most important, don't do continuous work. Take frequent breaks. Every 20-25 minutes, take a 5-minute break.
Okay.
That's all. Thank you.
Now that we've established that using smartphones and tablets during the night can cause severe harm to your eyes, why not ditch the phone completely before bed? Wouldn't that be the simplest and the cheapest way of taking care of your eyes?